So I'm here and I'm back and I'm about to try this amazing food, seafood straight from the Bronx, Marisco Centro. You already know. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. Ooh. Whew. Look at that, look at that. It looks so tasteful. So here we can see everything. Ooh. Mussels, calamari, eggplant, lobster, shrimp, with a combination of rice. Very good and tasteful. So I'm here today at Bronx Terminal Center, shopping center, and I'm about to try Dominican Chofan, Marisco food. So I'm here and I'm back and I'm about to try this amazing food, seafood straight from the Bronx, Marisco Centro. You already know. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, if you come here, you should be able to try this food. I got for myself a nice Dominican Chofan, seafood Dominican Chofan. This is something that you have to try if you come all the way here to the Bronx. This food is just amazing. Whoa. And also I got some mofonguito, shrimp mofonguito, and we're gonna try this and then we're gonna see how it is, how the food tastes. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is coming. So this is what we call seafood mofonguito. Seafood mofonguito. And this seafood mofonguito is mainly on smashed plantain, on garlic, and a variety of seafood. Yeah, you can see calamari there, shrimp, and different type of seafood. Wow. Oof. Now we're gonna try this.
Okay, baby, okay.
I will eat this and everything. Wow, give me the sauce. Wow. Wow. This is just too yummy. So now I'm gonna try the second one. Half of it. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that sauce. So saucy. Wow. So I just finished eating the mofonguito, mainly composed of plantain, green plantain, with garlic smash. You can taste the garlic, and also we had a variety of seafood with it that came with it, mainly shrimp, calamari, lobster, and other types of seafood. It was very good, very saucy, and I will give this a 10/10 because it was perfect. There's still some sauce left, and I'm gonna take some of it. Even the sauce can be eaten because it was too good, you know. Wow. So here we just received the seafood Chofan. Whoa. So here we can see everything. Ooh. mussels, calamari, clam, lobster, shrimp, with a combination of rice. Very good and tasteful. So now I'm gonna take a little bit and try it, and then I'll let you know. Wow. Vegetable. We also have a combination of vegetable here along with the seafood, which make the food a little bit more engaging to eat and more favorable for the mouth. And as you can see, this is a lot of food. A lot of food. Look at the smoke right there coming out. Ooh. You can see the smoke. Wow. So I'm about to try this right now. Oh my god, this is gonna be a good tasteful thing to do. Wow. Chile calamari. The shrimp. Wow. Wow. You can eat it with a finger. And the rice, the chofan flavor. Now let's try some lobster tail. As you can see here. Lobster tail. Let's break it well. Wow. Wow. This is a mussel here. These mussels, they are so packed and fat, big. Like, you can take everything out and eat it. Wow. So we're trying to see how we're gonna finish all of this, but we are too. Look at this, how we killing it. Wow. It looks so tasteful. Wow. This calamari are so look at this plate. We are the bar on this plate. Wow. Look at this mussel, how fat. It's pretty fat. Wow. I'm gonna put some salad. You can see here. So I want to see how the salad give it a nice flavor. Oh man, oh man, oh man, this food was good. I will give this Dominican seafood Chofan a 10 out of 10. If I can give it more than that, I will, because it tastes full, it's fulfilling, it has a lot of food, and wow, it's gonna leave you feeling amazing. Guys, so thank you for watching today. I hope everyone had a good time watching this. Do not forget to subscribe and click the like button. I appreciate your support.